So I had to cut that one down to fit it in there. There's another one. That's what it looks like. S10 sector. And this is a 1500. See how short the S10 is? And that's the way I did it. Bolts goes in there. The square goes on that side, so flat's on the top. And that's the way I took it apart. As you see, this one is the same. Yep, see square on that side, hole that side, square on that side, hole on that side for the bolt. Threads are in the bottom. Flats right there. And on the top. The new kit from Napa sucks. And I don't know anybody else that has a proper kit. We used to have a smaller piece right here, smaller diameter here. I had to cut it off so I could get it in the hole.